Hey Cricut crafters, it's Shay, and today we're talking about Cricut crafty ideas to make and or sell with your Cricut for Halloween. So we're talking all things Halloween themed. Now you know your girl likes to get really into these videos. So originally I was gonna wear this, okay? I went through my kids' like costume closet and I was gonna come on here like, hey guys, no, I can't take myself seriously. And if I can't take myself seriously, how are you supposed to take me seriously? So instead I went with like a makeup and jewelry look to look a little bit like a basic witch, if you know what I'm saying. We got spooky babe going on here, my little Halloween mug. I even went with like a Halloween lip. So now that we've addressed and blessed you with the fact that I'm not going to wear that ridiculous unicorn horn. Ooh, can you tell I've had my coffee today? Yes, you can. All right, let's get into it. As always, any of the SVGs and crafts that I show in this video are going to be linked down below so that you can get those cut files as well. They are all from Creative Fabrica, and it's only $1 for a 30-day trial with them right now. You get the commercial license, yada, yada, yada. I talk about them all the time, love them. So thank you to all of you that recommended I check it out because your girl's obsessed. Alrighty, so let's get into all of the crafty ideas to make and sell for Halloween in 2022 with your Cricut. We're gonna start off with a really good one to sell, and that's personalized trick-or-treat bags. So popular, you can even pick them up at like your local dollar store and then just personalize them with names. You can get them in the large wholesale blanks group and then able to personalize them that way. Or you can just pick up a blank tote bag and start decorating with cute SVGs like this. There are tons of options, but personalized trick-or-treat bags I really love doing. I like adding a little bit of personalized touch. I feel like it really makes those holidays just that much more special and magical for the kids. So if you're a grandparent, a parent, an aunt, an uncle, whatever, and you want to make a little one feel special, or maybe you want to sell them for people in your community, I highly suggest you look into that for Halloween. Same with like Easter and Christmas. Those are great times to do those things. So definitely look into some trick-or-treat bags that are personalized for the kids. We're going to talk about decor. So Halloween decor, Halloween signs, people love to decorate for the trick-or-treating. Maybe they make their house all like spooky, or maybe they make it all cute and pastels and colorful and white pumpkins, and you know, people love to go all out. So for Halloween, I found so many cute little porch signs. I found a bunch of stunning home decor ideas with your Cricut. Like, check out these SVG files. So cute. They also have really cute fonts over there, and they were super Halloween themed, which I love these little Halloween fonts. So they're all gonna be down below if you're interested in trying them out. I'm so excited to make a Halloween doormat. How cute is that? Like, I'm probably gonna have something like Boo on it. I don't even know yet, but it's gonna be super cute. Maybe some little bats or something. But I really think just going out and decorating like your front porch, or, you know, people just love to decorate their houses for trick-or-treating. So let's do it with our Cricuts. Also, the Dollar Tree has tons of really cheap little decor pieces that you can just go ahead and decorate. They have a bunch of blank signs. They have just tons of options for Halloween, and you can use your Cricut to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Either sell them, decorate it for yourself, or give them as a gift. It's just a really fun way to do it on a budget, which us crafters love to do because then we have more money for more craft supplies. As if we need more craft supplies. A lot of crafters are really into those little gnomes, and I saw a really cute SVG to use, and you can use that for like a doormat. How adorable would that be? Little Halloween gnomes for your doormat, or a little welcome sign for your home to decorate for Halloween or for fall. And I thought it'd be a fun way to incorporate it into your Cricut crafting and add those little cute gnomes to all of those things. Along with that, there's a whole trend going around with those tiered tray decor pieces. So you take a tiered tray and you're going to decorate it with whatever theme you want. There's a fly going all around the room. So if it's buzzing around the screen here, I'm sorry. I can't get rid of him. He just lives here now. He's my new little pal. He's a roommate. He's living here rent free. Anyways, what I was saying. What was I saying? Tiered trays, yes. So tiered trays are a really great way to have some little bit of decor in your home. You can use your Cricut to decorate your tiered tray. And if you want to learn how to make a tiered tray on a major budget, like under $10 from the Dollar Tree, check out this video up here because I did exactly that. And it was so easy, so fun, and super sturdy. So I was able to go all out and decorate it with all of my Cricut crafts on there, which is just a fun way to add some decor to your home. Since we're talking Halloween, let's talk about costumes. Making costumes with your Cricut. Have you considered it? Because yes, you can do that. So there are tons of ways that you can do this, but a few common ways that I think are really popular to sell or to just make for yourself, family, and friends are things like this. Like, how cute is that? I don't know about you, but as a busy mom, my kids want me to dress up when we go trick-or-treating. I don't have time for that. I'm not going to spend money on a costume. So I'm going to grab an old t-shirt and go ahead and slap a cute SVG on there, and then that is my Halloween costume. So I thought that was super cute. You could also make things like masks with your Cricut. You can make tons of different things and find those cut files over on Creative Fabrica or other places as well online. So I thought that was a really fun one. A few years ago, I wanted to dress up as like a cow for Halloween. I thought it was kind of like a play on thing. My little one was dressed as an elephant, my partner was dressed as a monkey, and then I dressed up as a cow because I was nursing at the time, so I thought it was kind of funny. And then I made my shirt and it just said "Got Milk," and I made it with my Cricut, and I thought that was just hilarious, like the Got Milk commercials. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, if not, don't even worry about it. But that's what I mean. Making some type of a costume with your Cricut is a really fun way to make Halloween just personalized and specialized for you. So I wanted to include that in there because those were some really cute ideas. Shirts. Whether it's Halloween shirts for siblings, cousins, family, friend, maybe you have a get together, maybe it's for the class at school. I thought shirts were a really fun way to do it. Sometimes kids have days at school, so let's say for Halloween they all wear their costume, or they wear like Halloween PJs that week, or whatever it is. Instead of going out and having to spend money on specific pajama set or shirt for Halloween, grab a shirt from their closet and go ahead and DIY it with your Cricut, some cute HTV, go all out. I mean, that's a great way to be on a budget. I feel like us Cricut crafters love to get creative. We like to reuse things, recycle, like do all these fun things and be like, oh, an old t-shirt, I'm gonna make it stunning with some HTV and bring some life back into this t-shirt. These Halloween 3D layered cardstock pieces are so cute. If you do have any type of laser cutter, that would be really cool as well. But you can do this with cardstock and your Cricut, and you can make tons of 3D little signs, shadow boxes, decor. It's adorable, and these actually sell as well. So you can definitely sell these. Just make sure you kind of weigh the pros and cons of the time that it might take you to make certain things like these cardstock projects, and if it's worth it for you to sell it for the cost, okay? So just look into that a little bit, because I know with stuff like certain cardstock projects, sometimes for the price and then the time that it takes doesn't always add up. But hey, if you love doing it, you do you. If you honestly genuinely love making it, you can make it nonstop. It's just a hobby and you're just making money on the side and you don't mind, then that's amazing, and I say go for it, babe. You didn't think your girl was not gonna mention the drinkware, am I right? Alrighty, so Halloween, the kids are trick-or-treating and having fun. What are the adults doing? Are they sipping on tea or coffee? Are they having a nice drink, an adult beverage? Whatever it is, it's a fun way to add some personalization and Halloween spirit to the night. So whether you're making some glass can cups, tumblers, you can make those little juice pouches, those plastic ones. You could do wine bottles and beer bottles and wine glasses and just all of those things that you personalize with your Cricut with a Halloween theme. That's such a great way to include the adults in the Halloween fun. And as an adult, can we not all admit that sometimes it's just great to have fun and feel like a kid again? So while you're munching on your kids' Halloween candy when they're not looking, you can go ahead and sip on your drink in your really cute Halloween themed mug that you made with your Cricut. And as always, I like to mention sublimation, because though sublimation is something not specifically Cricut related, you can actually incorporate your Cricut with sublimation, which I love doing. I love using it hand in hand. And if you want to learn more about how I do that, be sure to check out more of my TikToks and Instagram. Hit that follow button and subscribe down below, because you're gonna see tons of more sublimation content coming out soon, teaching you all about it, because I really like doing it with my Cricut crafts for each project together, and then it just elevates my Cricut crafts to a whole new level that I didn't even know was possible. So I am super passionate about sublimation. But if you don't have a sublimation printer yet, but you really love the cute little sublimation prints, you can make some print then cut stickers with your Cricut using those sublimation files. You can also go ahead and use printable vinyl like the Caesar printable HTV, and then you can actually just put it on a shirt. So that's another really great way to do it if you don't quite have the budget for sublimation yet, or you're not too sure if you want to try it out. Definitely look into that stuff, because they have super cute cut files for sublimation. Sublimation files are gorgeous, and you do not want to sit on those. You definitely want to use them. So there are definitely ways to use them even if you don't have a sublimation printer, not to worry. That's a wrap on the Halloween ideas for your Cricut in 2022 to get crafty, make and sell some crafts so that you can make some money this year with your Cricut. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you doing a craft fair this year? Are you getting ready for Christmas time and going to be selling things in a market and stuff like that, let me know. I'm so interested in stuff like that. Or are you just getting crafty for fun? What are you planning on making for Halloween? Do you even make Cricut crafts for Halloween? I don't know. Let me know. Maybe we could make a cute little pumpkin with some vinyl. Fun way to do it. I talked about that in my fall Cricut ideas video, so check out that video next. And I will see you all in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.